Greetings and salutation guys. In this video we will look at the correct way to download Wireshark. Most videos on YouTube they use the apt get method, which pulls the application from the repository. The problem with that is that the repositories they don't frequently update their software. If you pull an app from the repository, you're almost guaranteed to get an older version of the application. Let me demonstrate that for you. Open up the terminal. Now type in app-cache policy Wireshark. Look at the candidate version. It says 2.6.10. Now keep that in mind. We'll be comparing that to the latest version available from the official website of Wireshark. See for yourself how old this version you're seeing currently that you're pulling from the repository is. Fire up the browser. Now in the URL bar, type in wireshark.org/docs/rel notes. As you can see, the latest version of Wireshark at the time of recording is actually Wireshark 3.6.5, while the version shown here is 2.6.10. The version that you saw in the repository is way down on this list. You see how down on the list that version is. This is why it's always a bad idea to get your software, get any software from the repository. Instead, it's always better to get the app from the official website. One way to circumvent this problem is to add the official Wireshark repository, as in the repository that is provided by the official, the makers of Wireshark. The What I'm trying to say is we should add the repository to our database. We should add the repository to our apt-get database. To do that, type sudo add apt repository ppa colon wireshark.dev/stable. Again, the command is sudo add apt repository ppa colon wireshark-dev/stable. It will ask for your password. Enter in your password. Let's clear the screen. Now type sudo apt-get update. And now type sudo apt-get install Wireshark. Press Y and hit enter. Here in the configuration menu, you can carry out a few configuration tweaks with the settings. You can take your time to read whatever is written on the screen. After you're done with that, Select OK. Now select the no option. It will take a while. It will take a while to pull the app from the repository. As you can see, Wireshark has now been installed. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.